this tournament in particular is very special, considering it's here in our home country, on home soil.
Expectation ng mga tao, siyempre, this time malaki kasi tayo yung host, di ba?
Nararamdaman ko yung suporta ng buong bansa and yung pangarap ng buong bansa, feeling ko nasa balikat naming lahat.
Habang suot ko ang uniforme ng Pilipinas basketball, sobrang proud ako.
Bibigay ko talaga lahat. Sakripisyo ko talaga yung kahit na minsan masakit yung katawan mo, talaga maglalaro ka kasi para sa bayan to eh.
Kinahanglan pildihon ako akong kontra. Okay. Dagko na, just dili na basta-basta mong team nga gidala, kundi Pilipinas na.
I feel like we have, the height, we have the athleticism, we have the smart players, we have the leadership, we have everything right now. So it's just a matter of it all coming together.
This whole experience means a lot, and I hold it close to my heart. And I really want to do my best to help our team and to help our country get back to the top of Asian basketball.
Napakahirap ng hinaharap nating trabaho sa August 1. Pero magpapakamatay itong team na to para sa bayang Pilipinas. And dahil lamang doon, tingin ko makakamit natin ang ating minimum.